Hey everybody, Teresa here. I wanted to give you an update. It's day 8 at the campfire in Chico, California. And everything has changed since I did a video 2 days ago. We were supposed to have been sent home yesterday, and then they were like, wait, don't leave yet, don't pack up because we're going to have a meeting and we might keep you. So they ended up not demobilizing us and kept us. However, because we were, they're calling for rain, they moved us and a whole bunch of other people. So like the whole area over there where the firemen's tents were that I showed you in the last video are now in different places. So there's my tent. We are now in the barn right across from the mess hall. And I was anticipating, from what I was told, somewhere around 500 or 600 firefighter tents all lined up in here. And then that didn't happen. I'm not sure why. All these picnic tables were supposed to have been gone. And this area over here, according to the people who run the fairgrounds here in Chico, this particular part of the barn is prone to holding water and flooding. So therefore that was 200 tents that couldn't go there. So this is warmer. The temperature has gone up about 10 degrees, so it's about 46 degrees Fahrenheit at night, which is about 7.8 Celsius during the daytime. So it's a whole lot warmer, and we're under the barn. So instead of freezing last night, I actually sweated and had to take off a bunch of clothes. Now it's cold. I mean, it's noisy here because this is a refrigerated semi-truck that runs all night long. There is beeping from forklifts that goes on all the time because they are always moving food around and supplies. So because of the rain, they're having to shift a bunch of stuff around. Here is the inside of the mess tent. I might get around to filming that for you. There's a hand wash station. Can I zoom in? Yeah, but it's not clear. So anyway, that's that. We'll just keep going. The U-Haul truck here used to be, they apparently got told to go home. They were demobilized. This was chainsaw sharpening and repair. So the firemen, you know, for all the firemen's chainsaws when they're going and chopping down trees trying to create a fire line. So those guys are going home. The blue tents over here in that building, that is supply. So, you know, your tent stakes, tents, literally all kinds of supplies. All right, they moved the place where we pick up our brown bag lunches. Everything has been moved around because of the rain and because they're demobilizing some people and trying to condense it all. Plus they're bringing in search and rescue to look for bodies, sadly. So we've got our laundry unit is going to be up there where those firefighter trucks are in the distance, except my boss just told me it's going to be several hours. Oh, cool, they're rolling the ropes. Or the hoses, I was hoping they would. So I took pictures of this last night. They're starting to gather up the hoses from the actual fire line. And so the CCC guys and ladies, young adults, I call them kids, have to roll all this stuff up, and they're covered in poison oak. So mountain of fire hoses, post-fire, and yeah, these guys have their work cut out for them for sure. And these hoses are super heavy. And then they roll them up into these very tiny, tidy stacks down there so that the hoses can be reused. So that's it for today's update. I will keep you posted as I know more.